Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to connect Zendrop to your WordPress WooCommerce store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here in the upper right corner. You can get started logging into your account. So if you're not already, go ahead and log in. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page where the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding Zendrop to our WooCommerce store. So first things first, you want to open up WooCommerce right here at the left side screen if you're not already, and after opening it up, you can get started starting a new store if you don't already have one, and if you have one, you can get started managing it from here. So now that we can get started guys, now what we want to do is to add Zendrop to our store once you have set it up, and for that we're going to open up the plugin section right here. So here at the left side screen, you can find the plugin section. Once you open up the plugin section guys, it's going to open up this plugins marketplace right here where you can find all the plugins that you can use for your WooCommerce store. And what we want to use is use the search bar right here at the top of the screen and search for Zendrop. So by searching for Zendrop, it's going to give us a result all the plugins related to Zendrop. As you can see, we have Zendrop global dropshipping. That's going to enable us to import products from Zendrop to your WooCommerce store. So this is the plugin you want to install. So all you have to do is open up the plugin and click the install button. That's going to appear right here. As you can see, currently I'm on a free plan, so I cannot install it, but just by installing it, you'll be able to add it to your WooCommerce store. And just like that, you can set it up and get started with importing your products. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.